Welcome on Forex and Trading Info. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free Forex and trading info. So now let's start. Forex for Beginners Review. If you are a newbie in the Forex markets and want to learn how to trade Forex, one of the best ways to get started is to study and learn the basics, then buy a good book or program that teaches you the fundamentals first. Below are some of the top 3 Forex for Beginners programs in Germany. Top 3 Forex book review websites. Top 5 Forex books 2020. Couling, Forex for Newbies, What You Must Know to Get Started and Everything in Between, Marcus Fenke Verlag, 2020. Couling's Forex for Newbie series offers comprehensive step-by-step instruction on how to use the tools, how to set up your trading account, how to find trends, and how to make profitable trades. This is a very simple system to follow and one that anyone can use. Couling has written many other books on Forex, and her Forex for Beginners review site has over 300 reviews by Forex traders who used her previous books as well. Anna offers clear, concise advice on how to buy and sell currencies, what currency pairs to trade and how to make profit and learn from others. Another one of Anna Couling's books on Forex for Beginners is titled, Forex Trading for Newbies. This book comes with an online Forex demo that you can use to see if you are ready to trade with real money. The site has a free demo, and if you become a member of the site, you can download the demo to your PC. You will be able to trade the demo yourself without having to pay for it. Anna recommends that anyone wanting to trade Forex should buy their own copy of Forex Trading for Newbies, because it has been proven to be an easy, quick way to learn how to trade without investing too much time. Anna also recommends looking at some of the videos online at her Forex for Beginners website and getting tips from other traders who have used her programs before. The Forex for Beginners program that Anna has recommended is called Forex Trading Machine. Anna is very enthusiastic about teaching new traders how to make money trading the markets and wants to share her knowledge. She has also created a video blog on her website that you can watch as well, so you can see her teaching you the basics as well as seeing some of her actual trading sessions. The one drawback to Forex for Beginners is that you will need to invest time and money in order to learn how to effectively trade. The program does teach you how to set up a trading account, but does not go into depth on how to learn to trade and profit consistently. Anna has a detailed tutorial that covers the fundamentals as well as how to pick up new trade signals and develop a winning trading strategy. The best thing about this Forex for Beginners review is that Anna has been involved in the Forex market for a long time, and her website has hundreds of testimonials. This makes the program worth a look if you are looking for a great, easy-to-use program that can give you a solid foundation on how to make money trading the markets. She does not have all the answers, and the program does offer you a lot of trial and error, but is a good place to start if you want to get a feel for the Forex trading market before you invest the rest of your money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more Forex and trading info.